Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 3.9% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Alibaba Group Holding Limited's revenue missed estimates for the first time in more than 2 years, underscoring how Beijing's months-long campaign against the internet sector is taking a toll. Experts suspect the best of the post-pandemic recovery may have passed, especially if higher leisure and hospitality costs curb the appetite for consumer spending. Lobbyists for the crypto industry are calling for last-minute revisions to a U.S. infrastructure bill, provisions that could fundamentally change how the federal government treats holders of digital assets.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1100 GMT. Australia's trade balances at 1:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT, Japan's labor cash earnings at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.